How to make Facebook account private on phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then in here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy and click on it. After that, click on Settings in here. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in Settings. Scroll down till you find Profile Locking. Click on Profile Locking. And then click on Lock Your Profile at the bottom. After you've clicked on Lock Your Profile will be locked. After that, go back to the same settings and click on How People Find and Contact You. In here, make sure everything is friends only or only me. After you have done that in here, you can simply go back. Go back to the previous settings and then in here, click on Post. Do the same thing in Post as well. Who can see your future post? You can do friends and not public. If you want, you can do only me and save it as well. After that, click on Stories. In Stories, you'll find the same thing. Who can see your stories? Click on it and make sure it's only me or friends. Then press on Save at the bottom. After that, go back and then click on Reels. In Reels, you can do the same thing. Who can see your Reels? Friends and not public. After that, followers and public content. After you click on it, make sure you do the same thing in here with all the settings. Then go back again and click on Profile and Tagging. Do the same thing in here as well, friends or only me. After you have done that, go back and click on Active Status. And make sure your active status is turned off. Click on Turn Off and you're good to go. This is how to make Facebook account private on phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.